Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just quickly going to show you our 2019 Volkswagen Golf ALLTRACK that we got here on the lot. Nice blue exterior with silver mirror caps, black leatherette interior, nice ALLTRACK scuff plates, lots of space in the rear seat, tons of head space as well, nice large panoramic roof, ventilation for the rear seats, nice and sheer at the front. The ALLTRACK being a wagon, all-wheel drive as well, you have a lot of space here in the trunk. And as we make our way over to the driver's side of this specific ALLTRACK, you have power, backrest, you have height adjustment manually, all your locks, window switches there, automatic lights. Quick view here of the steering wheel, Bluetooth, currently sitting at 50,457 kilometers, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, backup camera, AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, dual zone automatic climate control with heated seats. Coming on down, you have your USB and a nice little cubby here. Push start mode button, which gives you your normal, sport, custom, off-road, and eco modes. Manual handbrake, 12-volt cup holder, nice little cubby, and here are all your controls for the sunroof and lights. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. This is our 2019 Volkswagen ALLTRACK. Look forward to helping you. Take care.